married to Bob, and Bob has passed away like, must be 10 years ago. Anyway, Bob was real nice, and his niece by marriage ran the East Grand Forks Public Library.
Oh, the Campbell Library.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice library.
Yes, it is.
That's better than the Grand Forks Library.
Yes, it is. It's really a great library.
Yeah.
But anyway, she would have a photo show, and Fran from Alaska told me, well, you can do that here in Mayville.
Yeah.
And I've done it for 17 years.
Really?
And,
Dang. How does one compete or join?
Well, everybody, I had a photographer come in, and she did, I never know who wins.
How'd they get these done? Walmart?
Well, those are canvas, and they're better than photos. And she got first on this one, and third on that one. And this lady got second on the grandson. And,
Mary.
And this Ragnar, the photographer.
Who's the judge?
I have several judges.
All right.
And I never know who's going to win.
Yeah.
But anyway, the photographer gave this a possible 40 points. And that's the most you can get for a picture. Isn't he perfect?
Yeah, that's a nice.
And he's only 3 years old. And she got first.
Oh. Nice. Wow. What's the title? The portrait Ragnar?
Ragnar.
The photo Ragnar. Nice. Yeah, that is a good photo. So 40 is the best possible score.
Yeah, and I have a world traveler. She's 81 years old, and she always goes to Paris, France. And she did this Monet's garden in Paris, France.
She didn't place.
And she did this picture over here.
So these are all the adult categories, right?
Yeah, these are all adults.
Oh, this is, I'm gonna guess, Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico.
Oh.
And isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Wow,
and
that's nice.
I think I broke the frame when I put it up.
Oh.
And she got knocked off on the frame. That's my fault.
Oh. Cool. So these are all submitted this year, 2022?
Yeah, these are all submitted this year.
I like this one with the cat. That's a pretty cool photo.
I'll have to tell the photographer that.
Lucy.
Lucy by Jane Nelson.
They're all women.
Yeah. And,
Yeah, there are no men.
Oh, well, actually, he did the drive-in, and he had a special camera to make it blue and purple.
Yeah.
I don't know what he did, but I only had one youth entry.
Oh, really?
And, here she is.
Oh, that's Bismarck.
And she got first.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
That's a photo?
Yeah, that's a photo.
Beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, yeah. Wow. So what's youth? Anyone under 18?
10 to 12.
All right.
10 to 18.
All right.
Youth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a nice photo. Cool.
And these plates, I put them up really high because everybody steals.
Yeah.
And,
Jeez. Even here in Mayville, people steal.
Yeah, and when the economy is bad, people really steal more than usual. And I put them up, and I can't measure worth a hoot. And it took me 2 weeks to put them up.
Oh, good. Yeah, I'm 6'2", 6'3", yeah. Only a 6'6" guy could steal that.
Yeah, right. And I thought,
wow.
you know,
Where'd you get those?
well, they don't make them anymore. And a lady, she found out that we are the first public library ever built in the state of North Dakota. Yes, there were other libraries, but we are the first one.
Really?
Other libraries were operating out of existing rooms or buildings.
Oh.
But we are the first public library ever built in the state of North
really?
Dakota.
Wow, I would have guessed Grafton, but no, you guys.
Yeah, we're in 1900.
Wow,
So
nice. And you're not Carnegie.
No, we're not Carnegie.
Yeah.
It was the Grandin brothers, and you heard about the Bonanza farmers. They owned most of Trail County at the time.
So.
And You can't get these plates anymore.
You know what? You know Grafton has that North Dakota room. You've been to the Grafton Library?
No, I haven't.
Oh, they have a nice room that's dedicated to North Dakota. This reminds me of that. I could show you the video.
Oh, really?
I have a video, yeah.
No kidding?
Yeah, it's the North Dakota room.
Well, they used to have one at the college library.
Oh,
and
yeah.
They dismantled it, and I don't know why they did that.
Yeah, they have a decent library at the university, huh? I've seen that library over at Mayville.
DQ Library.
Yeah.
Burns Quandick Library.
Yeah.
And
Because on my way up to the farm, I went through here and I stopped there. And I was hoping to work out at the wellness center. It's only $5 to work out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did it work out for you?
No, because the lady's only there 8 to 1 p.m. Monday through Wednesday. So it's quite difficult to pay to work out there, but.
Oh, I bet you that would be hard.
But I did see their library, and it's open to the public. It's not just for students.
Yeah, and people don't really realize that.
Yeah.
And the great thing about that library is all on one floor.
Oh, yeah. Oh, because I came here and your library was closed.
Yeah, we're never open on Monday.
Yeah, that's
We
what it
are
is.
never open on Monday, but we're open Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, noon to 5.
How about sometimes Saturdays in the winter, or no?
Well, in the fall and winter, we're open on Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 9, 8 a.m., what am I saying? 9 a.m. to noon
All right.
on Saturdays.
Nice.
Yeah, right.
Cool. So what is the last year of the plates?
Well,
What's the-
I tell you what,
Oh, 2001?
I don't know,
Oh, no, 2008.
2008,
Nice.
and you can't get those anymore.
Wow.
And mine got fell down, and
Wow.
and that is
The oldest library in North Dakota.
yeah, it is.
Cool.
And we are not a state plate. At
Oh.
the time we had that plate, it would
Oh.
take 2 or 3 years for us to be a North Dakota state plate. So we figured the heck with it.
Huh.
We're gonna go ahead and do it anyway.
Wow.
And nobody collects plates anymore.
Huh. Well, so is that Portland High School? Is that Portland over here? That's
Yeah.
just Portland? Wow. Is that still around?
Well, it's still there,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
But I saw the high school is, what is it? What do they call it? Mayport, right?
Mayport,
Ma-
CG,
What does CG stand for? Clifford?
Clifford Guilford,
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
They went together with Mayville, Portland, Clifford.